Welcome back to the channel, Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the 2025 John Deere 6R250, a machine that blends power, technology, and comfort in a way few tractors can. Whether you're working on large-scale farming operations or looking for a reliable all-rounder, this model is built to deliver performance, precision, and durability. Let's take a closer look at why the 6R250 is earning serious attention in the agricultural world. The John Deere 6R250 stands at the top of the 6R series lineup, and it proudly wears that crown. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.8-liter PowerTech PSS engine that delivers up to 300 horsepower with intelligent power management. This isn't just raw power, it's controlled, efficient, and responsive. Whether you're hauling, tilling, or working with heavy implements, the 6R250 is designed to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the 6R250 is its auto-power transmission. This steepless transmission offers seamless speed changes without ever needing to shift manually. It's designed for maximum comfort and efficiency, especially during long hours in the field. You can go from a crawl to top speed without a jolt, and that means less fatigue and more precise control. The Command Pro joystick is another game changer. It puts 11 reconfigurable buttons and all key functions right at your fingertips, giving you complete command over the tractor without taking your hand off the control. With the integrated command center display, you're looking at a cockpit that rivals modern vehicles in terms of digital control, customization, and ease of use. Comfort is a big deal in the 6R250. The cab has been redesigned with noise reduction in mind, offering one of the quietest rides in the class. There's also better visibility thanks to the panoramic roof and extended glass coverage. Optional features like Active Seat 2, which reduces up to 90% of vertical movement, and advanced climate control make this cab a true office on wheels. John Deere has also put a strong focus on precision farming technology. The 6R250 is fully integrated with the JD Link system, giving you remote access to machine data, performance stats, and location, all from your smartphone or desktop. You can monitor fuel usage, plan service intervals, and even send work plans directly to the tractor. Features like AutoTrack and section control boost productivity and minimize waste, making every pass more efficient. Hydraulics are another area where the 6R250 shines. With up to 155 liters per minute flow rate and multiple rear SCVs, it's ready to run demanding implements. The hitch lift capacity and front linkage options make it ideal for both front and rear mounted tools, giving you flexibility for various jobs throughout the season. When it comes to durability, the 6R250 is built to last. Its full-frame chassis design means better load distribution and improved strength. Maintenance is simplified with easy access service points, extended oil change intervals, and John Deere's reputation for reliable parts and dealer support. If you're working in hilly terrain or dealing with heavy loads, you'll appreciate the available TLS Plus front suspension system. It automatically adjusts to terrain conditions, improving traction, reducing tire wear, and enhancing ride comfort. Combine that with the intelligent power management system and you get a tractor that works smarter, not just harder. The 6R250 isn't just about what it can do today, it's about how it sets you up for the future. With full Isobus compatibility, it can integrate with a wide range of modern implements and farm management software. That makes it a smart investment for operations looking to scale and adapt with technology. In the field or on the road, the 2025 John Deere 6R250 delivers confidence. It's strong, smart, and packed with features that make your job easier and more productive. Whether you're focused on crop work, transport, or mixed tasks, this tractor checks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 John Deere 6R250, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest machines in agriculture and beyond. I'll see you in the next video.